Kigali, Rwanda. An important gathering of job service officers and the coordination team unfolded at the Don Bosco Hospitality Center in Kigali. The participants came together with the shared goal of identifying challenges and potential solutions in the realm of technical and vocational education and training. The job service officers, who play a pivotal role in the Silesian TVET centers, started the meeting by identifying the gaps between the skills imparted at their centers and the skills industries require. This set the tone for the week, a week filled with productive discussions and innovative problem-solving. As the meeting progressed, the participants delved deeper into strategies to bridge these gaps. They explored ways to enhance industry-oriented training, ensuring that the students at centers are equipped with the skills that the labor market demands. But the meeting is not only about identifying problems and devising solutions. It is also about establishing and strengthening networks and partnerships. The participants will have the opportunity to share best practices, learning from one another's experiences, and collaboratively creating work plans. At the culmination of the meeting on March 8th, the job service officers will convene with key stakeholders. They will exchange best practices that promise to shape the future relationship between technical centers and the labor market. The meeting was organized with the support of Don Bosco Tech Africa, which oversees all Silesian TVET centers in Africa.